Hi Aries, welcome to your holding on or letting go reading for April 2024. This is timeless reading, so when you find it and it resonates, it's meant for you. I will take a look at what you are holding on to and why. Yeah, and where you're going. For some insight in what you're holding on to that you might not know that you're holding on to, or get some understanding in why you're holding on to this. Let's see, for Aries. Let's see, for Aries. Hmm. Okay. Seven of Wands. For what you're holding on to, some inner distress, some inner fightings, some emotions that you don't have control over. Let's see, the devil for what is making this hard to let go. The devil. What would be helpful? Five of Pentacles. And why are you holding on to this? Hanged Man. What you're gaining from it? You're gaining another perspective. Time. Gaining time. You can choose or pick. Let's see where you're going. King of Pentacles, Magician, Queen of Wands, and potential outcome. Ten of Cups. Okay. So you're holding on to that Seven of Wands due to some obsession about it, perhaps, with that devil energy. It's something that you know you should let go of, but it's hard. And being cut off from it would help with the Five of Pentacles, to be left outside, to um, have no more access to this. Let's see that Seven of Wands. Let's see. This is to you. It's very defensive with the Seven of Wands. You might not be that aware of this. Let's see the Seven of Wands. Let's see the Seven of Wands. Let's see, Seven of Wands. The Sun, Three of Cups, Three of Swords. You're holding on some things that you know is good for you, even though it's painful at times. We have the sun here. I believe you are aware of that this causes both pain and happiness, pain and pleasure. It's the devil energy. Again, you're holding on to this because you know you feel it's right, and then it turns bad, and you feel it's right, and then it turns bad. And that tug of war keeps going on within you. Let's see that devil energy. What makes it hard to let this go? Can speak of obsession or a bit using. Let's see that double energy. You feel it got a hold on you. Yeah, 7 of Wands, 7 of Cups, Page of Cups. You say you choose this because you cannot choose it, if that makes sense. You're trying to fight it, but then you find yourself choosing this anyway. But you are aware of the pain it's causing. But when the devil energy kicks in, you cannot not choose this. Let's see the 5 of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Wands. That's your foundation, your home, the things you have built up for yourself in that Queen of Pentacles state of mind with that calm. And this also tells me that from this is wrong. Well, this is the devil speaking. When it takes over, it's because when you're not in that devil energy, you know that you should stop with this. You know that you can find passion elsewhere, and that you have a support system. You know that too. But it's like when that devil energy kicks in, you forget about this. And that's why it's both. It's like, how can it be bad when it feels so good? Can I vibe to this? You know it's hurting someone, but you do it anyway. You see that? And that's you in the middle trying to fight yourself. You say the upside of having this, holding on to this, is the Hanged Man. It's learning, gaining other experiences that you wouldn't have if it wasn't for for this, you have knowledge and experiences that everyone doesn't. Let's see the hangman. Nine of Wands, the Devil, King of Swords. From getting that different perspective, knowing things everyone doesn't, that teaches you how to override that devil, how to fight it, how to fight that feeling of obsession or whatever this is to you, gaining knowledge in how to fight that devil, getting tools everyone doesn't have. Okay. Let's see the King of Pentacles. Let's see where you're going. Let's see the King of Pentacles. And this is gonna be different for everyone. But a side note, that devil is not within you. For some, this is another person that you're dealing with. And the upside, you say, is that now you have the tools to see those red flags in others more clearly. It's like a superpower now to you. You can see through other people's behavior. Star, Temperance, Nine of Cups. You are determined. The star comes after the Tower. You're determined to grow, to be strong in with yourself again, be happy. The star and the Nine of Cups is essentially the same. The Nine of Cups is the lesser star from the minor arcana. And you say you want to find balance between your wish fulfillments and the heart's deepest wish. And we have the King of Pentacles here. So it for some this is with support, the King of Pentacles. Let's see the Magician. Page of Swords, Six of Cups, Four of Swords. The Magician has all tools, as I said before, that you now feel you have a different toolbox from everybody else. And with that toolbox, you're healing something from your childhood. With the Six of Cups and Four of Swords, you're healing some past trauma. I believe something from your past is reflected on. You're looking at the past and healing that. with the new toolbox that you have. Okay, whatever that means to you. But something from the past is being looked at so you can move on from it. And it has to do, I believe, with that Three of Swords that's in the middle of this. Some pain that needs to be taken care of. And with the right tools, you can. Okay? Let's see the Queen of Wands. That's you, Aries. Queen of Wands is you. Let's see the Queen of Wands. Three of Wands, Two of Wands, Page of Pentacles. Yeah. You're revisiting some old previous plans. Taking it from there. Small steps forward. Finding yourself again. Two and Three of Wands is Aries energy. This is Aries. And slowly coming back to being you. The real you. Okay, Ten of Cups in the potential outcome here, Aries. Let's take a look at it. Justice, Four of Wands. Yeah, Aries. You're doing this. You're moving forward. You're healing this. Leaving this behind. Whatever this is to you. You now know how to fight that devil with the help from someone else that gave you a different toolbox, a magician's cool toolbox. You're going forward. You're doing this. You are moving on from this. Look, the Ten of Cups in the outcome with the Fool, for Wands, and Justice. There's a brighter future for you here, Aries. Yeah. Okay. That's what I have for you, Aries. Take care. Bye.